This is a follow-up to my last video on how to stop feeling socially awkward and make more friends. Knowing how to start conversations is key to feeling comfortable in social situations and making friends. Here are 3 ways you can start conversations. 1. What do people like to talk about the most? Themselves. So start conversations by asking questions that will get the person next to you to talk about themselves. For example, what do you enjoy doing at your spare time? Or what's your favorite pastime? Or what do you do for fun? Or where do you like to hang out? Or what type of music do you enjoy listening to? 2. People also like it when you make them feel clever and important. So you could start a conversation by asking for someone's opinion when you need to make a choice. For example, what do you think? Black or blue? I can't quite decide. Or, I wonder if you could help me with whatever you would like them to help you with. Maybe directions to a location. Or, you're really good at maths or geography or whatever they're good at. I wonder if you could advise me on the best way to approach this question. 3. Remember to use open-ended questions like what, why, when, and how. This helps conversations to have a more natural flow and prevents yes or no answers, which can lead to awkward pauses or cause the conversation to fizzle out. For example, instead of asking someone who just came back from their holiday, did you have fun? Ask, why did you choose to go to Egypt or Thailand or wherever they visited? Or what did you enjoy most on your trip? These questions require longer answers and will give you more information and more things to talk about. Remember that the more you practice these steps, the better you will get at starting conversations. So be kind and patient to yourself because it won't happen overnight. It takes time to develop a new skill. It also helps to take a few deep breaths when you feel really anxious. No one will know. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.